Welcome to EKTV. Today, a strong magnitude 5.3 earthquake was occurred in Canada. The quake hits Canada today, 23rd April 2022, 12 p.m. local time, and 10 kilometers shallow depth. U.S. Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.3, and European Mediterranean Seismological Center also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revealed in next few hours or minutes. At the end, please like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel for more updates.